Hey guys, today we talk about how can you disable Horizon on your Star True app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next here, then you click here on visual effects, you just click on it here. So then you come here to horizon here, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean horizon here, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.